Hello, I'm in a 2010 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between the American settings and the metric settings. So first you want to start your vehicle. This would be like if you want kilometers instead of miles, for example. So once it's all loaded, we're going to use this button here to toggle between your options. Alright, so here we made it to this. So now I'm going to use this check to switch. And it's just auto switching. So now it's in metric, and all I'm doing is just clicking the check. And here I'll click back to show you it's working. So now it's in kilometers. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to switch it back to miles. And then you can see it also changed the Celsius from Fahrenheit for outdoor temperature. So again, I just click this to get back to it. And then this check switches it back over. All right, well, I hope this was helpful today, and hope you have a wonderful day.